I think there's a precedent that's been set that you can charge more in the UK, and I think that's been set. And I think something does need to be done about it, because it's not wholly fair for the consumers, because obviously we have this the whole world of being able to comparatively shop now to see what other people are being able to get it at. It does seem to be a little bit unfair.
You used to be a buyer.
I did, so I used to be a buyer, and I have come across incidences where when you're buying consumer electronics from the States, they don't necessarily comply with all the EU testing standards. So sometimes the cost of that would need to be passed on in order to be able to conform with the EU safety regulations.
Okay, to a certain degree I accept that, but if you're a big multinational company like Samsung,
You'd
like
be
Sony...
set up, wouldn't you?
Yes, it would be. Surely it would be a standard device worldwide.
And also,
unless we hear lots of stories about televisions bursting into flames in the US.
You figured that, you mean they've got a whole team looking after all that side of things.
Right. What's the way round this? Is there a way... I look at these prices and then I look at how you're going to import and you'll pay taxes on this and whatever, and I think, oh, do you know what, I can't be bothered. Is there a way round this? Is there a nifty way to get US type prices in the UK?
There is, absolutely. Now, with the smartphone in your pocket, you have a whole plethora of information there that you can have access to. You've got smartphone applications that you can scan barcodes when you're in the shop, and you can see in your geographical area, is there anyone offering the price that's slightly less? Also, if you're part of the Google Glass Explorer program, you'll use the onboard camera of Google Glass with an application called Crystal Shopper, and that will bring up other user reviews of the product that you're looking at and comparable prices. But also knowing when to shop is very important as well. If you think about in January, it's a great time to get second-hand, barely used goods because people have got them for Christmas presents. And also when the end of the summer is a really great time because big manufacturers are making way for their newer models. So that's a great time to get maybe a slightly discounted price on TVs, tablets and mobile phones.